Protecting an organization from hackers and cyber threats has traditionally involved layered security, installing malware protection on each endpoint and adding layers of protection in the network. Unfortunately, hackers have been able to exploit the fact that these layers of security do not coordinate their defenses. If the firewall is breached, the endpoint isn't notified. If the endpoint is compromised, the firewall is unaware. SOPHOS is the only IT security provider to introduce a synchronized approach to security. Vital information and defensive strategies are coordinated between the SOPHOS endpoint and firewall through an advanced security heartbeat. When a new endpoint is added, the security heartbeat automatically connects it to a SOPHOS next-gen firewall, establishing a channel through which information is immediately and consistently shared about overall security status, the health of individual endpoints, and current threats. The heartbeat notifies the network if a user becomes infected with zero-day malware that the next-gen firewall detects. This enables the next-gen firewall to prevent the endpoint from communicating inside or outside the network to help prevent harm to the organization. Or if a complex, targeted attack is able to disable endpoint protection, the firewall detects the absence of a healthy heartbeat and can respond by isolating that endpoint from the network until the issue is resolved and a healthy heartbeat is restored. When potentially unwanted applications are discovered, the heartbeat and firewall will constantly monitor that application for suspicious behavior. If that endpoint attempts to connect to nefarious command and control centers, the SOPHOS firewall can block that traffic and alert the administrator to the system, IP address, user, and even the process associated with that potentially unwanted application. With this information, SOPHOS can automatically take action to remediate the situation and help the administrator identify that same process on other systems before damage can be done. IT professionals have much to contend with. A security strategy that can pinpoint potentially compromised systems while providing detailed user and application process information can save weeks of time spent scraping logs. SOPHOS is ushering in the era of synchronized security. Endpoint and network defenses are now coordinated to thwart advanced persistent threats, enabling organizations to be more secure than ever, with complete prevention, detection, intervention, and remediation. Another way SOPHOS is making security simple.